DOGELON Mars is a meme coin that was born after the success of Dogecoin. Another inspiration of DOGELON Mars is the billionaire business tycoon Elon Musk. The name of DOGELON Mars is the mixture of Dogecoin and Elon Musk, as well as his Mars project. Today DOGELON Mars is one of the most popular meme cryptos in the market. However, this is extremely unlikely in the case of DOGELON Mars because of its 1 quadrillion token supply. You may ask, can DOGELON Mars hit 1 cent? Or can Elon coin reach 1 cent? There are many meme coins like Shiba Inu coin, Kishu Inu coin and Baby Doge that are hoping to beat the odds and reach a price target of 1 cent, making investors rich. If the DOGELON Mars were to reach 1 cent right now, the market cap would be over $5.5 trillion, while surpassing the market cap of Bitcoin. But there is a token burning strategy that can make everything possible in the crypto market. Here we will try to analyze the potential of the DOGELON Mars coin. For a long-term investment, DOGELON Mars certainly can hit surprising prices. As per some market experts, DOGELON Mars's value is expected to continue to expand. However, there is always some risk to crypto investments. And if it comes to meme coins, it can be more risky. There are many factors that make DOGELON Mars coin popular. But DOGELON Mars is relatively a new meme coin that completely depends on its own community. Proper risk management is essential before making any investment decision in DOGELON Mars coin or any other crypto. DOGELON Mars often behaves like a pump and dump, so choose to invest if you're ready for this. The community of DOGELON Mars investors is very strong and may pump the token further in the future. This is all speculation though, and no one knows where the token will go. If you are willing to make a risky investment, DOGELON Mars may be the token for you. Do not expect the token to reach 1 cent anytime soon, as this is technically impossible. As the DOGELON Mars coin pumped massively in 2021, many crypto traders are curious to know whether the DOGELON Mars token can touch 1 cent or not. As per our price analysis, there is no signal that the DOGELON Mars coin can reach 1 cent in the next 10 years. But in the crypto market, everything is possible. As we have seen in the past, a great bull rally or bear rally can thrash all the price predictions in seconds. With community support and new listings on premium crypto exchanges, the DOGELON Mars coin may hit its 1 cent target before our DOGELON Mars price prediction. The long-term investment plans in Elon coin look promising due to its community support. The DOGELON Mars token has a strong community backing, so it can finish some more zero from its current price in the next 4 to 5 years. Token burning in enough amounts may also increase the value of the DOGELON Mars coin. According to our long-term DOGELON Mars coin price forecast, the value of the DOGELON Mars coin can cross the maximum price level of $0.000000595 in 2022. However, the DOGELON Mars value is expected to continue to expand. If you're going to hold DOGELON in the long term, it can surprise you. There are many circumstances that can lead DOGELON Mars to touch its 1 cent cap in the next few years. But our current price forecast doesn't indicate any sign that can lead the Elon coin to touch its 1 cent target in 2025. However, a huge coin burning and premium exchange listing can make it possible. As per the current token supply, it's nearly impossible for DOGELON Mars crypto to hit a $0.1 cap in 2025. But if crypto investors believe in the project, the DOGELON Mars may give them a handsome return in 2025. There is a bull rally also expected before 2025, and nothing is impossible in the crypto market. After such a long journey, in 2030, many cryptos are going to hit their new all-time highs. As per our price forecast, there is no sign that the Elon coin can hit 1 cent or $0.1 in 2030. As per our price analysis, in 2030, the maximum price of DOGELON Mars can be around $0.0011. If DOGELON backers or developers can burn its half of token supply, it may hit a 1 cent cap in 2030. But for the $0.1 cap, we need to wait some more years. Keep in mind that the meme-based cryptos are extremely volatile assets, and usually they can have a high token supply. The maximum token supply of DOGELON is simply too high to support the price target, so the 1 cent price target. At least in this decade, such a target is almost impossible to hit. However, if current growth continues, the value of DOGELON Mars coin will continue to expand. The long-term price predictions for cryptos are not easy as their prices don't depend on any accurate sources. However, with some technical analysis and the past performances of the cryptos, we can guess its future performance. As we can see that the DOGELON Mars need almost 15 to 20 years to hit the target of $1. As per our long-term price forecast for the DOGELON Mars, the elon coin is going to hit $1 in 2040. However, as we told above, nothing is certain in the crypto market, so DOGELON may hit its target before the given time. A strong bull rally simply thrashes all the price predictions in seconds. Recently the DOGELON Mars coin got listed by many premium exchanges like Gemini and Huobi Global, but the DOGELON is still not available in Binance or Coinbase. But, there is a higher probability that Coinbase and Binance will list DOGELON Mars soon for public trading. The DOGELON Mars coin is about to reach the list of top 100 cryptos as per the data of CoinMarketCap. Once a coin achieves this target, we can say that it may list soon in some premium crypto exchanges. If you want to buy the DOGELON Mars coin, there are many crypto exchanges that are offering for public trading. Some of the famous trading exchanges that offer elon coin are Gemini, Crypto.com, Huobi, KuCoin, Uniswap, and Gate.io. You can also add DOGELON Mars to your portfolio by using the MetaMask wallet. You just need to purchase some Ethereum and swap it with elon coin. However, this method can be a little costly as you need to pay gas fees.